On this video today, I'm going to show you a new traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. The platform that I'm about to show you is beginner friendly, and the best part is that even if you have a small budget, you can use the platform to advertise your link so that you can get many people to enter the details for you to make money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join OGRs, you can join Max Bounty, you can join any CPA marketing network that you know. So in this case, we are using CPA Group. You can see it right here, CPA Group. You can create an account wherever you are in the world on this platform. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of them. These offers, you don't need to get a sale before you earn. What you need to do is that you have to get people from the country where the offers are allowed. So once you get the people to take a specific action, you are going to be making money. Some of the actions can be to enter a mobile number. Some of the actions can be to enter a credit card detail. So it depends on the offers. So as an affiliate, your duty is to get the right traffic to the offer so that the people can click on it and then take the specific action for you to make money. You can see a lot of different offers. But when you come right here, you can see the country is United Kingdom. So you have to get people in the United Kingdom to enter their details for you to earn these amounts of money. You can see the first offer you are going to be earning $4.28. The second one you are going to be earning $4.28. The third one you are going to be earning $1.71. You can see the offer is allowed on Android. The offer is allowed on Apple iOS. The offer is allowed on desktop. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select a different country because these offers, the payout is low. So we are going to select a different country where we can get offers with a higher payout. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. You can see there are many countries that you can select. Any of the countries that you select, you will get offers that you can promote to earn money anytime you get a lead. You can see a lot of them. In this case, we are going to be promoting offers in Ireland, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offers are loading. You can see it has finished loading. You can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Ireland. To click on it and then enter their details for you to earn money. You can see a lot of different offers. You can see this offer right here, claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The payout is $10.27. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. They don't need to buy anything. All that your potential visitors need to do is that they have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to earn $10.27. You can see the offer is allowed on Apple iOS. You can see it right here. When you scroll, you can see there are other offers that you can promote to earn money. But in this case, we are going to be promoting this product right here since it has the highest payout. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link, so you have to get people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift cards, and you are going to be paid $10.27. You can see it right here. You can see this is the warning. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Ireland. So that is the warning, and you can see the requirement right here. This is the title of the offer. So now the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. Even if they enter their details and they fail to win the offer, you are still going to be paid. The most important thing is that they should enter their details. Once they enter their details, you are qualified to be paid. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, admarvin.com. This website is one of the best websites that you can use to promote any link that you want. If you have a business, if you have an affiliate link, you can promote it on this platform at a very cheap cost. The best part is that the minimum deposit is very low. So even if you're a beginner with low budget, you can use this platform to advertise your link and then make money from home wherever you are in the world. You can see. So now what you have to do is that we have to create an account so that we can begin using the platform to promote our affiliate link. To create an account, you're going to put your pointer right here. Once you put your pointer right here, you're going to select advertiser. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to enter your full name, email address, password, retype your password, select your country. Once that is done, you're going to select the social media platform that you are using. When you click on it, you can select Skype, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, phone number, others. Any social media network that you are using, you can select it and then enter your handle right here. Once that is done, you are going to select where you heard from them. So in this case, you can just say social media. So just select social. Once that is done, you are going to agree to terms of use. So click right here. Once you agree to the terms of use, you are going to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you click on sign up, you are going to see a page like this. So the next step is that you are going to start creating your campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on campaign, you are going to select your ad format. If you want push campaign, you can select that. Pop under, you can select that. Others, you can click right here to create a campaign. In this case, we are going to be creating a push campaign. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the interface is beginner friendly. Even if you have never run a paid ad campaign, you can still use this platform. So the first step is that you are going to enter your campaign name right here. So let's say iPhone, or you can type any name that you want. Once that is done, you are going to leave it like this. Start immediately. We want our ad to start immediately once it gets approved. Once that is done, you are going to enter your budget. You can see total budget. How much are you willing to spend in total on your ad? So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to enter any figure because we don't know whether our ad will be profitable or not. So just enter any figure that you want. Once your ad is profitable, you can increase the amount. If your ad is not profitable, you are going to pause the campaign. So let's enter $50. That is the amount that we are willing to spend on our ads. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. The daily budget, we are going to enter $10. So let's enter $10 right here. Once that is done, you can see default CPC, cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? You are going to leave it with the default price. Once that is done, you can see minimum CPC. What is the least amount that you pay per every click that you get? The minimum CPC, I'm going to enter the same thing as the default one. So you are going to select an amount that is equivalent to the default CPC. So let's leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see maximum CPC. What is the highest amount that you are going to pay per click? So we are going to enter a figure that is above this. So let's enter any figure that we want. So let's just enter any figure right here. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see how would you like to spend your daily budget. You can see evenly and as soon as possible. We are going to select evenly. That means they have to spend our budget throughout the day. If you select as soon as possible, they can spend your budget in the morning, they can spend it in the afternoon, they can spend it in the evening. But what we want to do is that we want to spread our campaign throughout the day. So select evenly. Once that is done, you can see push traffic type. If you want, you can switch it off or you can switch it on. You can see push web. That is okay. You can see floating push. If you want, you can switch it off or you can switch it on. In this case, I'm going to on both of them. Once that is done, you can see allow interstitials. You can see allow third-party traffic. Just leave it on. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see campaign limits. How many clicks do you want per day? What is the total number of clicks that you want per day? You can enter the number right here. If you want 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 300 clicks, you can enter that. In this case, I'm going to enter 500 clicks. So you are going to enter 500 clicks. So if you get 500 clicks without any conversion, it means the platform is not good. We don't have to keep on spending our money. So just test it with 500 clicks or 1000 clicks. So let's test the 500 clicks. Now once that is done, you can see conversion per day. Just enter any number that you want. So let's say we want 100 conversions. So select that. So we want 100 conversion. Once that is done, you can see clicks per IP. You can see 1. That means a person is allowed to click on our ad once. So you can see we don't want people to keep on clicking on our ad. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see impression per IP. How many times do you want a person to see your ad within a particular location? In this case, I'm going to enter 3. So 3 times. I want a person to see my ad 3 times within a particular location. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see location. You are going to select where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Ireland, so you are going to search for Ireland. So just type Ireland right here. Just search for Ireland right here. Once you search for Ireland, just click right here, Western Europe. Once you click on it, you can see Ireland. Tick on it. Once you tick on it, you are going to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, click on yes, selected. So Ireland has been selected. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see time targeting. If you want to target a specific time of the day or a day of the week, you can do that. So if you don't want your ad to run at 2 o'clock on Sunday, you can deselect it. If you want your ad to run, you are going to select it. Any of the days in the week, any hour that you don't want your ad to run, you can deselect it here. You can deselect it, any of them that you want. In this case, I want my ad to run throughout the week, so I'm not going to deselect any hour of the day, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see language, so you are going to select the appropriate language that you are targeting. So we are going to deselect them all. Deselect them all. Once you deselect them all, you are going to search for English. The people in Ireland speak English, so select English. You can see English right here. Tick on it. Once you tick on it, you are going to come right here, click on it, and then select yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to search for Irish. People in Ireland speak Irish, so you are going to search for Irish. There is no Irish, so just leave it. So we are going to leave it with the English. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the operating system. Deselect them all. Once you deselect them all, you are going to select iOS. The offer is allowed on Apple iOS, so just tick on it. Once you tick on it, you are going to come right here, click on it, and then select yes. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device type. It has selected all, so what we have to do is that we have to deselect everything. Once we deselect everything, we are going to select mobile and then tablet. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, click on yes, selected. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device brand. We are targeting Apple iOS, so you are going to deselect everything. Once you deselect it, you are going to take Apple. Once you take on Apple, you are going to click right here and then select yes. We are targeting Apple iOS. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see browsers. There's no restriction. The offer is allowed on all browsers, so you have to select them all. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see connection type, any connection, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see careers, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see country right here. Click on it and then select Ireland. We are selecting Ireland. Just type Ireland right here. Once you type Ireland, you can see it. Click on it and then click right here. Once you click on it, select yes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. If you want to blacklist or whitelist any domains, you are going to select that. Any IP address, you are going to select that. Sub ID, you are going to select that. Any place that you want to blacklist or any website that you want to blacklist, you can select the options and then do that. In this case, we are not going to blacklist any location or any domain, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see ad type. We have selected push. Once that is done, you can see ad title, description, destination, URL. So this is where we are going to paste the title of the offer, and this is where we are going to paste the description. So we have to go back on CPA grip so that we can get the details. Once you come back on CPA grip, the first step is that you are going to copy the title of the offer. So you are going to highlight and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste the description of the offer right here. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, you are going to highlight the description and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back. Once you come back, click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you are going to scroll down. You can see images. You are going to upload the images of the offer. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, you are going to put your pointer on the image of the offer. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you select that, click on save so that you can save the image. Once you save the image of the offer, the next step is that you are going to come on Canva. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use to design anything that you want. When you come back on your ad, you can see they have image size that they want. You can see these are the image size that they want. You can see it right here: 200 by 200 pixels, 240 by 240 pixels, 250 by 250 pixels, and the rest. So you have to design an image of this size so that you can upload it onto the platform. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use Canva to design the same size of image. Once you are on Canva, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to click right here, choose files. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is your image. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, use in a new design. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select custom size. Once you click on that, you are going to enter the appropriate size that you want. So in this case, we can design 300 by 250. Just select that. When you come right here, you can see 300 by 250. So any size that you want, just design your image. Once you click on that, you can see this is your design. The next step is that you are going to download it. So click right here, share. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once you click on download, you are going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, download. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. Once you download the image, you are going to come back on your ad, click right here, upload main image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image. Click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see upload icon image. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the same image. Once you select it, click on open. Once that is done, you are going to deselect some of them, deselect some of them. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. Let's deselect some of these images. Let's leave it like this. As you can see, that has been done. So we have now uploaded the offer images. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, finish. Once you click on finish, you can see this is your ad. It is waiting for approval. Once your ad is approved, it is going to start getting traffic, and you are going to be getting people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers to win the offer, and you are going to be paid. Before your ad is allowed to run, you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you are going to select any of these payment methods that you want to use to deposit money into your accounts. If you want PayPal, credit card, you can do that. Credit card, wire transfer, more, you can do that. Capitalist, coupons, any of them that you want, you can select it and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. The best part is that you can deposit $50. So you can enter $50. You can see $50. That is the minimum amount that you can deposit into your accounts. As you can see, that is it. If you want, you can deposit $100, $60, $70, any amount that is above 50. You can deposit it into your accounts and then use it to run ads on this platform so that you can be earning money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.